Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Mifi and SIM so connections work reliably. Insert the SIM and enter the PIN if prompted. Make sure the battery is charged above 50% or connect a USB power source. Power on the unit and observe LED icons, power, signal, and Wi-Fi. Once you see a steady network light, you can move to configuration. You do this now because an unstable battery or incorrect SIM state will interrupt the next steps and complicate troubleshooting. You connect to the default SSID and open the admin page at 192, 168, 0, 1 or the address printed on the device. Use the default credentials, then change them. Enter your carrier APN exactly as provided so the router can authenticate on the mobile network. Change SSID to something recognizable and set a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password. Once done, save settings and reboot the Mifi. This ensures the APN and security changes apply, and devices. You now optimize placement and verify connectivity. Place the Mifi near a window and away from thick walls or metal objects to improve reception. Log into the admin panel to check for firmware updates and enable data saving features. Also set a data limit or alert. If you lose internet, restart the device, confirm SIM balance and APN settings, and try switching bands in the admin menu. If problems persist, test the SIM in a phone to isolate hardware versus network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.